It's time to change the water filter on your refrigerator when the red light is lit up, and I'll show you just how easy it is to do on my front filter KitchenAid side-by-side refrigerator. I'm using the Sante filters, which work with several refrigerator brands, but I'll list others in the description. I got mine in a 3-pack, so I'll have extras ready for the next time I need to change the filter. But like I mentioned before, this is super easy to do. After you've removed the plastic wrap, remember to take off the protective end cap. And here's where my filter is located on my KitchenAid refrigerator. Simply press on the button on the side and the old filter will pop out. On this type of mount, there's a decorative end cap that needs to be taken off the old filter. Now just screw the end cap onto the end of the new filter. And then reinsert the new filter into the cylinder in the fridge. Make sure it's right side up and insert it all the way, and we're pretty much done. And if the filter light doesn't reset on its own, you may have to reset it manually. The last step is to run about 4 gallons of water through the filter to get rid of any weird taste before drinking. And now you've got filtered water and ice again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep up to date on all my weekly videos.